Hello everyone. In last video we saw overview part 1 from home to settings. We saw what are the options under users, groups, rules and resources. Also we saw few billing options and support as well. So in today's lecture we will see what is setting option we have under Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So under settings, you can manage organization-wide settings. Okay, you can change your domain from default to, you can add your own custom domain which you have created like xyz.com. So you can help your user to just sign in with like a Daneshwar at xyz.com. So this setting will help you to uh, validate your domain and add a custom domain. Also, you can buy a domain from um, Microsoft 365 provider. Okay, so search and intelligence also gives you a idea about what you can do inside. That is a different story, but very helpful tool to do the analytics. Okay, search analytics. After that, this part I will not cover because this will take another 5 to 10 minutes because we are just giving you overview. So just under settings, the domain part is really important. So that's why I covered the domain section. Okay. And these are the new options. We might need, some additional licenses as well to uh, get that working. Okay. So under setup, this is something really important what I was talking about. So set up email with a custom domain. That option is use your own custom domain for your company emails. As I said in the previous settings section, the other option we have make it easy for customer to book online. So this options gives you enable your Microsoft bookings for scheduling. And the other option we have install or share Microsoft 365 app. This will help you to install Word, Excel, PowerPoint, other Microsoft 365 applications. The other options we see here is Microsoft Surface support. I mean, this will gives you help on Surface laptops. We have if your company have Microsoft Surface laptops, so that will help to get support. So this kind of setup and additional options you see here in that page. In short, this section just help you to set up emails, apps, and file migrations and collaboration tools for um, your company. Okay. Moving to the next part, reporting. This reporting gives you a deep and a detailed analysis of which application is being used in your company and how is the frequency. So this kind of analytics it will give on this page. Okay. Next is health. If we talk about health, it will gives you any service outages or any issues with our current subscription in organization wide. Let's say if any outage is going on, so you can see here what are the health status. It will directly publish from Microsoft. Okay, and this will give you a version health status. Microsoft releases patch on every next Tuesday. So patch Tuesday we can say if that is being released and any known issues there, it will be published in this section. Uh, Message center, I never check this option, but it just giving any message that any changes on your affect your user. So it's just from Microsoft, which will give you a high level overview of planned or changes. Okay. We can also give a product feedback as well here. See the network connectivity. I don't see anything here in the network connectivity, which is helpful. So these options monitor Microsoft 365 update for devices in your organization to make your devices have latest update to manage deployment. Okay, it's just an overview of what can be Microsoft update option do. Okay, it just monitor the uh, applications and it will have the latest security updates. Okay, so next option we have, it's a separate security tool, what I can say. Okay, if you click there on security option, it will take you to the Microsoft Defender. Okay, so we will look what is Microsoft Defender is. Okay, I mean, this is a really huge topic. I won't be able to cover, but I will just tell you what is this Microsoft Defender is. Okay, so this Microsoft Defender is built-in security solution that protects devices, data, and users from threats like viruses, malware, and ransomware, phishing, like that. Like it gives advanced security. Okay, it comes in a different version, depends on Windows 10 and 11, basic protection against the malware and spyware. Okay, and there are four products that you can purchase from this Microsoft Defender, like Defender for Endpoint, Defender for Office 365, and Defender for Cloud. These kind of services Microsoft Defender security gives. In short, uh, Microsoft Defender is a security tool suits for from a Microsoft that provides protection at device and identity, email, and cloud level. Okay, so this is a huge topic, guys. We will try to cover it in our upcoming videos. Okay, the next option we have Microsoft Purview. Okay, okay. Let's see what is this. Okay, the page is got changed a little bit because of the Microsoft Copilot, but let's see. So, Microsoft Purview is a data governance and compliance risk management solution. It helps organization to protect, manage, and govern the data across your on-premises as well as Microsoft 365, Azure, and other cloud services. So, if we talk about the key functionalities of Microsoft Purview is like you can do the data governance and catalog, like data discovery and classifying data across the multiple resources, create a data catalog to track where sensitive information is stored. Also, it has data loss prevention functionality, provides sensitive data like um, it is basically prevent sensitive data like credit card number, health record, etc. from leaving your organization by accidentally or intentionally. So it just protect that. So if we talk about the information protection, okay. So it's basically apply a label and encryption to emails, files, and documents to control access, and it also has one uh, very important topic. Actually, it's e-discovery. Okay, so e-discovery helps to search, investigate, and preserve data for legal or compliance need. So in short, it's again huge topic. We need to deep dive into it to learn this portal. Basically, it's just a managing your data governance plus applying security compliance tool in O36, Microsoft 365 and Azure. It just covers the data governance. Okay, guys. So if you want, just comment below. I will create a separate video on that. Okay. Let's check other tool, which is my favorite, and I basically work on this technology primarily. Okay, Microsoft Intune. I will going to start a separate and from beginner to expert level videos on Microsoft Intune, how we can set up Intune, how we can enroll um, devices like Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS. Those devices those process we will see what are the options we have under devices, apps, endpoint security, and tenant administration. These are